on the machine. Take several seconds to open it. Press any key to the operation interface. The first step is set the cutting torch to the original position or initial position. Press the direction button. Normally, the left bottom of the sheet is the suitable position. Then press F8 to make the coordinate 0. And press up and down, S up and down, to adjust the head of the torch. Usually 3 to 5 millimeters between the sheet and the torch is suitable. Then the second step is download the file, import the documents, insert the new disk, and press F2 2 times. Press the direction button to select the file. Then press F6 to make it copy, and press F1 to save it. Enter to confirm if it already saved it successfully. Then press F8 to open it. F1, F8 to open it. Third step is set the cutting speed. Press X to import the cut speed. 1000 millimeters is better, or you can set 2000 and press enter. Press Y to set the manual speed of the torch movement. 2000, enter. Then you can start. Press enter to start. You see here it. Okay, stop.